What the heck is up, YouTube? Today, we will be doing an oil change on the Ducati. Sorry if you can't hear me. Grass is being cut outside and there's nothing I can do about it. But, yeah. We're a little overdue on oil change, so I figured I'd get it going. So, I went ahead and I ordered an oil change kit from, forgot what the website is. I'll try to like put a picture up, but I got this. It was like 85 bucks and then shipping was 15. So at the end of the day, it's 100 something bucks. I should have just bought it in person instead of ordering it. I would have had it much sooner. Get out of here, dog. Yeah, here, dog. Get out of here, dog. But yeah, so I just went ahead and got the OEM stuff since, you know, it's not worth it saving like 10 bucks or whatever. So it came with the filter. It should have, if it doesn't come with the O-rings, I will be so pissed. They advertised it with coming with the O-rings. Alright, let's see. Shit out here. Okay, yeah, it's in there. It is in there. Alright. But yeah, so first off, you don't want to take the left side belly fairing off. So that for this one, this bolt is a 4mm Allen and this one is a 3mm Allen. So I'm gonna go ahead, take all this off and then get back to you. All right, update. So I took the belly pan off. There was 2 additional screws under here and then one right here that you gotta loosen up. And then it just falls right out. And then now you gotta get to the oil drain plug. Now, I don't have a low profile, this thing, catch can. So I only have like a million of these car ones. So I had to lift the front up. I don't have a front stand or a rear stand, so I got the jack stands lifting the rear up, put this block up, whatever that is, on the front. That was fun. And then now I have just enough clearance to, where is it? It's back here. So right there, you gotta get to the oil drain plug. It's a 14mm, so you just crack that loose. Like literally, look how much clearance I have. Just like barely. Drain that, and then on to the next one. All right, got the drain plug out. It has a magnet on it, so if you see, focus. If you see like some metal shavings on it, that just means your engine's about to blow up. Just kidding, that's normal. You just clean it off, get all like the gunk out of the threads and stuff, wipe off the metal shavings. Make sure you put your new crush washer awesome back on it. And then do this while holding everything all at once. Here's nothing. Probably gonna drop everything. Oh yeah, get oil all over my hand. I love it. Come on. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. God, I hate oil so much. I hate doing oil changes. It sucks. Damn it. Oh, there we go. You don't want to go too crazy on tightening it. Bam. Just snug, you know. You don't want Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just nice and easy, nice little bump. You want like half a ugga dugga, you're good to go. All right, now we are doing the oil filter. So the oil filter is located, if you're on the left side of your motorcycle, take the fairing off. It's this right here is the cover for it. So it's two 8mm bolts, break those loose. And then you'll probably spill some oil out, so just take something to like cover it. That. I don't know where this Ducati bag came from, somewhere, so I'm gonna just use that for now. Here goes nothing. Let's see if I can do this one handed. Fucking strips the bolt out. Okay, broke that one loose. I'm right-handed, so this is I'm holding my phone with the right hand and I'm working with my left. All right, so this cover, it has two different types of threads on it. There's a thread like in the engine block itself that the actual screws go into, and then there's like a thread for this cover, and it's the threads on the cover are bigger than the actual engine block threads. So you take a different like an 8 screw, I don't know, I just had miscellaneous bolts, and the first two I grabbed are perfect. So they'll go in there, but they won't actually bite into the block, they'll just bite into the cover, and then you have to pull out and pull this cover off because it's suction on there with two O-rings. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. That's probably not gonna work, but y'all get the idea. So just threads into the cover, bam bam, and then you pull on both sides and it should pop out. So this is what it should look like when it pops out. So you see you only thread into this cover and you pull these. What I did to get it, I just wiggled it back and forth, and that was like the easiest way instead of trying to just pull with brute force. I don't know what this little like lube is. I'll clean all that off. But yeah, there's the cover. I think it's directional. So if I pulled it out like this, the Ducati logo is on the lower side. And now I'm just change these out, bam, bam, and then pull the oil filter out. All right, I think to remove the oil filter, ow, fuck. Screwdriver. Get you a pick tool, or a pick tool. Now I gotta make a tool up here. Come on. Where the fuck are the pick tools? Like, I have this one, but I need one with like a hook on it. Alright, found it. Somehow it ended up in the pliers. But yeah, it'd been better to have one with more of a curve, but this works fine. So, yeah. There we go. Hmm. Interesting. Alright, I ran out of storage, so I had to go delete a bunch of stuff on my phone. But yeah, to get it out, I thought they had it in backwards. You just have to like, I don't know if you see that. You just stab into there and like break this little thing, and then you can hook in there with like a flathead or pick tool or whatever. And it just comes right out. And yeah, now, whatchamacallit, where did I put it? Now just replace the O-rings on here, clean this up. Yeah, I'll probably just put this back in. Just take this guy, shove it right back. Bam, hear that? It locks in. And now replace the O-rings, put the screws back in, you're good to go. All right, to put this back on, I just got like, I changed out the O-rings. Then I just got it kind of roughly eyeballed, lined up in there, and slightly pushed it so that way it just kind of caught in there. And then I took the 2 bolts, lined them up in the holes, threaded them up a little bit so that way kept everything in line. And then I just took this and just like gently tapped it, and like put a little bit of pressure on it. You want to lubricate the O-rings with some oil before you do that, so that way you don't tear the O-rings. So just keep that in mind and just gently just like kind of tap it. You don't want to push. I don't want to push my bike over because it's fucking barely on there. But yeah, you just go and then it'll eventually just pop into place. It'll fully back down. I already tightened this one. So whenever you tighten it, it's already got 2 O-rings sealing it. So basically you're just using these to just hold this plate, the plate in place. So you don't need to put a lot of pressure on it. I don't know the torque spec, but I assume it's like in inch pounds. But yeah, you just want to go till it's snug, you know? You don't want to go crazy on it. I'm normally the guy that over tightens shit, so if I'm saying that, then you should probably listen. So that's done. Now all we gotta do is fill her up with oil. Now for the fun part, putting the oil back in. So as you can see, use only Shell Advanced blah blah blah. Wow. Of course, in typical OEM fashion, the funnel is like, does not want to go into the fill, so you're just gonna have to hold it. So I need 2 hands for this, but yeah. I bought 4 quarts. It says it's around 4 quarts, so I'm just gonna put like 3.5. And then look at the sight glass, which is behind there. Probably do a little over or a little under 4 quarts. Yeah, not the big. So you can see there's your sight glass, and the oil, it's above the top mark. As I like run the engine and circulate more oil through it, it should drop down. I didn't use the full amount. I stopped it at like right there, so you can see it's 1,000 milliliters. I used about like 550 or so, and then I'll check it again. If it's a little low, I'll just top it off and we'll be good to go. So yeah, all I got left to do, put my fairings back on. I ran it for a minute, check for leaks. This happened whenever I took that out, but yeah, just look for leaks around there, see if the drain plug's dripping. If it's not, then you're good to go. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you found it helpful, yeah, I gotta clean this, it's super dirty. But yeah, shout out to homeboy on Instagram that was like, hey, want to do an oil change? And I was like, I'm actually about to do an oil change on my bike, so I'll make a video. He said, cool beans. So yeah, this is for you, brother. This one's for you. I hate videoing while my hands are oily, but I did it just for you, partner. So you better give me a like and comment, thumbs up, and all that jazz. All right. Love you guys. Peace.